The ongoing political unrest in Mozambique has impacted tourism from South Africa and disrupted the operations of travel agencies, reported. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda tiona kuti aiwa nauye kiziritika Mozambique yo affecta South Africa zvakanyanyisa noti subscribe like out on the bell like timina munamudanirwa muchinzi. Violent protests have plagued the country since October 9 elections. It intensified after the Constitutional Court upheld the results on December 23, confirming Daniel Chapo of the ruling Frelimo Party as the new president. The latest wave of unrest, sparked by the court's decision on Monday, has led to at least 33 deaths and 15 injuries in clashes with the new enforcement. Charity Love, a travel agent at Chama Travel, said her company had to cancel all December trips to Mozambique due to the escalating violence, said Love. We have been losing business since the Mozambique protests started around October. In October, we had to rush out of Mozambique after the violent protest started. We were told to leave before midnight and forced to go via Swaziland. Many of our clients are confused and frustrated due to the agency's no refund policy because they paid for their yearly vacation but had to change plans or stay at home. About 90% of the fee is non-refundable. It only allows for a rescheduling of the trips or taking a different trips. As a small business, our company has been affected by the protest. Mashoko ari kubuda achionekwa kuti aiwa the chaos iri kuitika munyika yeMozambique yakukonzeresa kuti aiwa vagari vemunyika yeSouth Africa nemabusiness operations ava kuita malosses pana pachidisappointa macustomers. Zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa the complaint iri kuitika pamusoro aiwa penhau yekubiridzirwa kana maprotests ari kuitika munyika yeMozambique aaffecta vanhu zvakanyanyisa muSouthern Africa. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.